Mr. Razor here. Got a new camera set up, wanted to check it out, and we're going to look at the Juice S2 made by Leatherman. Let's go check it out. Alright, as I said, we got the Leatherman Juice S2 today to look at, and a very handy multi-tool that works great for a lot of different circumstances. Alright, here's the Juice S2 made by Leatherman. Great multi-tool, fits in your pocket well. A lot of tools on it. Great multi-tool. You're looking at a length of 3 1/4 inches when it's closed. Blade length of 2.6 inches, and it weighs about 4.4 ounces. And of course, it's got needle nose pliers, and they break this down into multiple pliers on the website, and they call it regular pliers, needle nose pliers, wire cutters, hard wire cutters. Of course, that's all in here. And then you get your 428C knife blade, bottle opener or can opener. Very useful pair of scissors, and they cut really well. Inside, they also list the Phillips as a small Phillip or extra small Phillip. Then they list it as a small screwdriver, medium, large screwdriver, all in one. And of course, really, you can only use the tip pretty much, so as deep as your screw is, that's about how you're going to get at it. It does work good. And then on the other side, you've got a little chisel and a punch, all type of situation there, and of course a straight slotted screwdriver bit. Leatherman Juice S2. Keep it sharp. Mr. Razor out.